Today we're at the Westworld, the supercar show, the lowrider supercar show, and we're just here to. This is a secular event, so we're here to represent for Jesus Christ. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go in, we're gonna see some cars. I'll try to keep the profanity and everything that else that goes with secular stuff to a minimum. But like the music, hopefully you don't hear too much of that. And but then we're gonna do some interviews, and we're gonna see. This is kind of what we do with Revelation Riders, the ministry I'm part of. My daughter's also part of the ministry. This is Adea. And see here, we're at the Westworld Event Center here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Pretty much here in the desert. So we're gonna head in a sec. Thank you. We're here in the entrance. And we got the wristband, so we feel cool. This is the section that they put us in. We had a whole row to ourselves. It was a row full of Christian ministries. I apologize for the audio here, but it was really hard to do anything audio. The interviews are kind of funny because we didn't bring microphones, but I'm just going to do a quick voiceover. That was Jesus is King. You have a little limo there, and here's Conrad's car. With Revelation Ministries. He's the president. We're going to do an interview with him later. And we're just going to go through here and check out the cars from the Christian ministry. I thought it was kind of cool because they put a big cross right here in the middle with the crown of thorns on it. And that was kind of cool. It showed that we're the Christian ministry. And as you can see in this row, it's the Christian car clubs and ministries. You can see all the little crosses down there. And then our usual setup here, when we have the tracks, we have little books. Sometimes we'll have these ones have actual Bibles, but sometimes they'll be like Proverbs or just the Gospels. Some candy for the kids, bookmarks, things like that. But that's our usual setup. Again, we're here at the Phoenix Scottsdale actually, lowrider car show, and we're talking to the president of my motorcycle ministry. We're going to ask him what the importance is of Christians being at secular events like this and our representation.
It's important for us to be at events like this because the Bible clearly tells us that we're to shine the light in the dark places. Well, the world is a dark place. When we come to events like this, for example, this is the first year that we've had such a prominent place in a secular show like this. They've given us a prominent space right in the middle for us, all of those Christian groups to come together to show the world that we're here. A lot of people have the misconception that to be Christian, or to be a doctrine person, or to be a follower of Jesus Christ, you've got to be different. Look, we're just like everybody else. We enjoy the same things. We like moving cars like everybody else. When we come to things like this, we show them that we build our cars just like they do. The only difference is that we use our cars and our bikes to glorify Jesus. So when we can come to places like this, people can see that we're no different than they are. They can relate to us and we can relate to them. we have the same struggles in life that they have. We just choose to live our life in a different way. And by doing so, we give them the example. We're able to show them that being a Christian isn't so different than their regular life. They can be a Christian and still be who they are. Now, granted, they've got to make some changes in their life to go along with it, right? But it's not, to some of them, they think that we're aliens, that we're so different, and we're not. We're no different than anyone else. We go through the same issues, the same struggles, the same temptations that they do. We just choose to live our life differently. We choose every morning to try to live our life according to the gospel. And the more that we can expose ourselves, we're just the way they are, it gives us the ability to be able to draw them closer to Christ. So they don't think that it's such a dramatic thing that they have to go through. Now, keep in mind, there will be a dramatic change in their life as they give it to Christ, but it will be a gradual change. It doesn't have to be overnight. Sometimes it is. Sometimes the Lord just puts a hand on you and bam, whole new creation. But sometimes it's a process. And we want to reach people. And if we don't come to events like this, we're not going to reach the people. We have to go to where they are. We have to come to events like this to find the people that we're seeking to save. If we congregate just with each other, just with the Christians, how are we going to save the world? How are we going to save the lost and hurting out there in the world if we don't go to where they are? So it's important to come to events like this, to be the light in the darkness. Now, and when I say that, I don't want you guys to misconstrue. I'm not saying that these people are bad and dark, but they're not living the life according to the gospel. We want to give them the ability to do that. And by, not by just telling them because words are cheap, but we show them by our example, how we live our life, how we interact with people, how we treat people. We don't treat them any different than we do anybody else because they're God's children just the same as we are. They're just a little lost right now. We're going to help them find their way. Amen?
Amen. Amen, brother. Thank you.
All right, that about wraps it up. I want to thank everyone for coming to the channel and checking out the videos. I just want to also thank everyone that helped put it together, and congratulations to my big brother Conrad. My brother won third place, and as always, we'd like to invite you to come back and also like and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be pumping out some new videos here pretty soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.